Hi, today we're going to see how to create a bokeh effect in GIMP. I will put the link of the images I will use in the description box. So first we need to duplicate this layer here. So click on this icon here, duplicate the layer. And now let's hide the top layer by clicking on the eye icon here. And now select the bottom layer. And now we're going to blur the bottom layer. So go to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And now I'm going to blur it by 50 here. I'm going to increase it to 50 here, like this. It's okay here. And now press OK. So here it is. And now let's select the top layer here. Click on the eye icon here to show the top layer again. And now we're going to select the women here. We're going to make selection of the women. You can make a precise selection or just make a rough one. So I'm going to use the free select tool here. I'm going to make a rough selection of the women here. So I'm going to here just select the inside here a little bit. So here it is like this. Here, and now I'm almost done. I just need to link the last select point here to the first one here. So click here, left click. So here it is. And now press enter to create the selection. And now we're going to feather this selection. So go to select, feather. So make the feather selection by 100 here. And then press OK. So here it is. And now right click on the top layer here with the selection. Add layer mask. Check the selection layer mask here and then add. So here it is. Now go to select, none to remove the selection. And now we're going to merge the top layer with the bottom layer. So just click on this icon here. Here it is. And now I'm going to bring my bokeh image. I'm just going to drag it from the folder here. So here it is. And now let's convert it. And now we're going to scale this image here, this layer here, sorry. So select the scale tool, left click here on the bokeh layer here. And here, as you can see, the chain icon here is linked. So keep the control key down to scale the layer proportionally. Make sure to cover all the layer under it here, this one here. So here it is. And now press enter to confirm the scaling. And now let's change the layer mode here to screen. Here it is. And here you can move, for example, this layer here, so like this. So here it is. And then, for example, you can scale it again. Press Control, keep the Control key down, and then press Enter. And now we're going to change the color of this layer, of the bokeh layer. So go to Colors, Colorize. And here, as you can see, you can change the hue here. So the hue is the color, so this is the green. So here it's a purple. And the saturation is the intensity of the color, and the lightness, it's the lightness. So I'm going to keep it with the sky blue color. So I'm going to reset here. So I will keep it like this. So here, and now press OK. And now I'm going to show the face here of the women here. So I'm going to remove some of the layer here of the bokeh layer. So right click on it, add layer mask, check the white full opacity, and then press add. And now let's select the brush tool. Click on these two arrows here to switch between the foreground and background color. Make the background color black here. So here is the brush, and now just type here, it will show the layer under it here. The blurred layer, this one here. So here it's up to you. So here like this. So here I think it's okay. And now let's select the bottom layer here with the blurred background here. This one here. Select it and then duplicate it by clicking on this icon here. Here it is. And now just click on the upper arrow here to place it over the bokeh layer here. Here it is. And now let's change the layer mode here to soft light. So here it is, and now just right click on the top layer and then new from visible, and here it is. That's how you can create a bokeh effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and till next time.